I would now like to go over exercise 19-11 and its employee share purchase plan. This is different than the executive stock options. An employee share purchase plan means that all employees can participate. They have no longer than 1 month after the price is fixed to participate, and no compensation expense is recognized as long as the discount is not greater than 5%. So I would like to review with you what happens when the discount amount is greater than 5%. And I'm going to ask you to refer to exercise 19-11 in your textbook. And it deals with Telstra Motors. And it says for an employee stock purchase plan, our employees are eligible to purchase our common stock through payroll deductions of up to 15% of their eligible compensation, subject to any plan limitations. The purchase price would be 85% of the lower of the fair market value on the first and last trading day of each 6-month offering period. During the year ended December 31st, 2017, and they go 2016 and 2015, they were issued 370,173 stock options, employee stock options, 321,788 stock options, and 220,571 stock option shares, for a total of 71 million, 51.7 million, and 37.5 million respectively. There were 1,423,978 shares available for issuance under the employee stock purchase plan. Now the key here is they were allowed to purchase the stock at an 85% of the lower of fair market value on the first and last day of trading for the 6-month period. So that is greater than 5%. So compensation expense has to be recognized. So they're saying under the employee stock purchase plan for 2017, they received cash of $71 million, because in the requirement, I'm focusing on 2017 because that's the journal entry they're asking us to record. So they received cash for $71 million. So they're going to debit cash. But that's only 85%. So we know because it's over 5% discount, we have to recognize compensation expense. So what we have to do is determine if 71 equals 85% of the total stock price, X being the stock price. If you take 71 divided by 0.85, or 85%, and I rounded this, it comes to $83.5 million. So that means compensation expense has to be debited for $12.5 million because that is 100% of the stock price. They've only received 71, so we have to recognize the compensation expense because the discount was greater than 5%. Common stock is at 0, and paid in capital in excess of par is $83.5 million. And again, everything here has been rounded.